Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the file fields in Sesame. The file field is a list of files that have been attached to a record of interest. The table is manipulated using the buttons on the right. The Files field can be edited by clicking in the Files field. The header of the field will turn green, indicating the field is editable. Files can only be attached to records that have a non-zero database number. New records must be saved first before files can be attached. To attach a file to the record from a drive, click on the green plus sign button on the right side of the field. An Add Row window will open. At the top, under User Label, a name, hint, or short description can be assigned to the document to be uploaded. For this example, we will name the document Grocery List. Below, the format of the file can be selected from the drop-down options. File when uploading one file only. Folder when uploading all files from a folder. Or folder with subfolders to upload all files from a folder and its subfolders. For this example, we will select File. The next field is File Name. When selected, it will allow you to select the file or folder to be uploaded. For this example, we will select the file titled Grocery List by Aisle. Click on Select File. Scrolling down, the file type can be selected from the drop-down list of available file types defined by the lab master. For this example, we will select HTML. Click on Add File. This will upload the file and attach it to the record. When done, a new row will be added to the Files table with a newly assigned unique file number, the current user's username, and the timestamp when the file was uploaded, the file name, the user label, and the file type. The size of the cells can be adjusted by selecting the title of the cell to adjust and sliding the cell to make it larger or smaller. The next button on the right side of the Files field is the Web button. This allows the user to upload files directly from the internet to the Files field. Clicking on the Web button, the Add Row window opens. The top field is the user label, a description or hint of the web address to be uploaded. For this example, we will use Soup Ideas. The next field is the URL field. This is the field where the web address of the particular file to be uploaded can be added. We will add our web address. The bottom field, File Type, we will select PDF. Click on Add File. This will attach the file and add it to the Files field. The next button on the right side, the blue eye button, will open the selected file in the board. For example, we will highlight the grocery list file and click on the blue eye button. The attached file opens in the board. To open a file with the associated external program, such as opening a PDF document in Word, you will need to click on the green right arrow button. For example, if we highlight the Soup Ideas file and click on the green right arrow button, a confirmation window will appear. Click on OK. This will open the selected file with the external program. The next button on the right side of the field, the pencil button, will allow the user to make edits to any of the uploaded files to change the user label or file type. For example, we will highlight the grocery list file and click on the pencil button. This will open the Edit File Information window. By double-clicking on the user label field, we can change the short description of the file. Click Update. The file name is updated in the table. To save a file locally to a drive that the local machine sees, such as a local drive, jump drive, or mapped network drive, highlight the file to be saved, for example, list by aisle, and select the yellow down arrow button on the right side of the field. This will open a save window, which will allow the user to identify a location and name for the file to be saved. Click on Save. The bottom button, the red minus button, will delete any files that are no longer needed or have been mistakenly attached to the record. Only the owner of the file, the person who uploaded it, can delete the file. For example, if we highlight the Soup Ideas file and click on the red minus button, a confirmation window will open. Click on Remove File. This will permanently remove the file from the Files field. Files can also be attached to the record by dragging and dropping from a file that is already attached to a record. This can be useful for files that need to be attached to multiple records and saves time and resources. For example, the yearly budget file from another record can be selected, then drag and drop it into the chicken noodle soup record title field. The file is now attached to both records. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and please refer to the help pages on the Sesame website for any further questions.